Creating a Python calculator is an excellent way to master programming fundamentals. This project involves building a functional calculator from scratch, reinforcing concepts like functions, user input handling, and control flow. By engaging in this hands-on project, you solidify your understanding of Python through practical application, preparing you for more complex challenges. Building a calculator in Python is a classic beginner project that reinforces core skills. It involves functions, user input handling, conditional logic, and control flow structures. This hands-on approach not only solidifies Python fundamentals, but also lays the groundwork for tackling more complex programming challenges and advanced projects. Understanding the basics of Python is crucial for building a calculator. Key concepts include functions for arithmetic operations, conditional statements for decision-making, loops for continuous operation, and user input for dynamic interaction. These elements form the backbone of our application, enabling efficient and organized code execution. Functions in Python allow us to create reusable code blocks for operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Conditional statements, such as if, elif, and else, determine which operation to execute based on user input. Loops, particularly while loops, keep the calculator running until the user exits. User input is gathered using the input function. Addition combines two numbers to yield their sum, a fundamental operation. Subtraction finds the difference by removing the second number from the first. Multiplication involves repeated addition to find the product. Division calculates how many times one number fits into another. Exponentiation raises a base to a power, enhancing advanced calculations. Let's delve into writing core functions for our calculator. Each operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, will have its own function with parameters x and y. This modular approach ensures clean, testable, and maintainable code. Remember to include docstrings for clarity, especially for handling division by zero. In Python, each arithmetic operation is encapsulated in its own function, enhancing modularity and maintainability. The add function returns the sum of x and y, while subtract yields their difference. Multiply computes the product, and divide handles division, including error management for zero division. Docstrings are crucial for documenting each function's purpose. The main program integrates our arithmetic functions, enabling user interaction. It prompts for operation choice, validates input, and performs calculations. Users can add, subtract, multiply, or divide numbers, with error handling for invalid inputs and division by zero. The program supports continuous calculations until the user opts to stop.